babies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for coming, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. So in today's video, as you can see in this title, this is a Geisha girl nail set, and she is so pretty. First, I will be showing you all of the products that I will be using. And so let me tell you a little bit about Geisha girl. If you're not familiar with a Geisha girl is a Japanese hostess that is trained to entertain men and with conversation, dance, and sing. I don't know if you've seen the movie, The Memoirs of a Geisha Girl. That if you've seen the movie, it's a really good movie. So I did decide to do a Geisha girl because I saw some stickers and I was like, ooh, I can do this. So, all right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. And we are using Modelones Glow Acrylic. So I will be showing you the acrylics that I am using. I'm using green, purple, pink, blue, and yellow. I do show you the numbers of the acrylics. If you are interested in purchasing any of the Modelones products that I am using, I will leave my link in the description box down below, and you can use my discount code, which is Bronzy10, and you get 10% off. That's if you're interested. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and do our prep. So I did went ahead and sized my nails, and I did change my mind. I am using the e-nail full cover tips instead of the ones that I showed in the beginning of the video. I just changed my mind. These are the 5XL square tips, and I did etch them and all that good stuff. And here, as you saw, the video is going a little bit fast. So as you saw right there, I am using the Modelones monomer finally. And I actually like this monomer. The only downside is it does smell really strong, but the smell doesn't bother me. But I know it does bother some of you, and the smell is really strong. But it really works really good with the Modelones acrylic. I haven't tried it with any other acrylic from any other brands, but I will be doing that. But it does work well with their acrylic, or Modelones acrylic. All right, so right here I do show a little of how I apply the Lazy Girl method using acrylic. You all know how I do it from my other videos if you have watched them. I will leave the link. I will leave the video in the cards above if you want to go and check it out. I did cap the nails off camera because I did not want this video to be super duper long, so I did it off camera. Alright, so we are going to be using the Makartt 100-180 nail file, And I also did use the cuticle oil, guys. Like, I did remember to use it. Actually, I did use it. I think I used a little bit too much, but I really do like this hack. So if I do remember to use it, I will be incorporating it into my filing, if that makes any sense. Now I'm using a lint-free wipe to wipe off all the dust with some alcohol. Okay, so I did do my pinky off camera, and I used the stickers that I got from Shein and some stars. I think that's what they're called. But I did use some stars, these stars right here, and these colored gems. This set was really fun to do. The acrylics, I really do love these acrylics. They are so vibrant and bright, and the yellow, I'm in love with that yellow. The yellow is really gorgeous. Well, actually all the colors are really pretty, and I really have fun doing this set. And right here I am applying some top coat, and I do cure it for 60 seconds, and I just apply a nice little thin coat. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and apply some more gummy jelly, and I am going to be applying the stars and the colored gems and the cute little bear. I was going to put a bow by her head to make it like she had a bow on her head, but I felt like the bow would have been too much on that nail, so I just took it off and just applied the colored gems and applied my top coat, cured it for 60 seconds, and I went on from there. right, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to like this video, and I will see you all on my next upload. Until then, see ya.